Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your group name on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on your group, now click here and now click on here. Here you will find change name, click on it and now uh, select just edit your group name as you want and click save, and that's it, it will be saved. That's how to edit your group name on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.